criminal defense attorney Nishay Sanan, and he's in Chicago, Illinois, and trial attorney Cannon Kearney, he's in New York. Good morning to both of you. Appreciate your time. Nishay, how difficult is this, Nishay? This process is it's a high-profile case, small community. The anticipation was they were going to rip through 40 potential jurors a day. They quickly found out that's not happening. It's down to 20 a day. How important is this process? How arduous is it for both sides? And as an attorney, how difficult is it to weed through when the case is so high profile, when people know about it?
Well, I think one of your biggest problems is it's not surprising that this jury selection is going to take some time. This is going to be a slow process. You have 3 defense attorneys who need to try to get into the minds of these jurors. And I think you already have problems. And I'll give you an example. You talked about juror 39 who said there was a murder. There is no murder. No one's been convicted. A murder is a crime. There's been a death. The question of whether there's been a murder has to come after the jurors start deliberating, not while they're being picked. Answers like that cause concern and heartache to defense attorneys who are trying to pick jurors. You need to find someone who is not biased, someone who can be fair, but when you have a jury pool that hears the word murder, you have to be very concerned. I wouldn't be surprised if jury selection takes 2 weeks or even possibly 3 weeks in this case. For the judge to think that they would be able to get through this thing quickly is kind of shocking, given the high-profile nature of this, given the media attention given to this case. And I think the defense attorneys are right in taking their time and trying to find non-biased jurors.
And Cannon, to the judge's credit, Judge Walmsley, he said, hey, let's slow this thing down if we have to. And he actually changed the scheduling of some potential jurors now into that 3rd week. But we'll have to see what happens. Let's get you into court. I understand Judge Walmsley is on the bench.